FCI is a faculty-led, faculty-driven center that seeks to promote continuous learning and engagement for Park faculty. All of our programming directly responds to faculty-identified needs and interests based on our annual assessment and direct instructor feedback. With those faculty that needed to make the transition to fully online or in a blended course format, we were able to provide customized material such as our Keep Teaching at Park web pages, and we also collaborated with the digital learning team to facilitate blended course design workshops. So while you can't go wrong with any of the FCI programming and resources, some of the sessions that I would recommend faculty look into would be to engage in our special interest groups that our faculty fellows lead. They can join us for our monthly virtual coffee house get-togethers and participate in our annual virtual academic conference. For those that just don't have the time to participate in our synchronous sessions, or maybe they just want a quick tip, they can join our Canvas Instructor Hub, also known as iHub, where we've created a space for faculty to asynchronously connect and learn. If you're interested in learning more about FCI, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at innovate@park.edu.